Automations are the whole point of a smart home. Not just controlling things with your voice, but making your home do things automatically without you touching anything. Here are the 5 best automations to set up first. Number 1, lights on when you get home. Use your phone's location as the trigger. When you're within a few hundred meters of home, the lights in the hallway and living room turn on automatically. You walk in and everything is already ready. Simple, practical, and you'll use it every single day. Number 2, good morning routine. At your wake-up time, your automation gradually turns on the bedroom light, starts the coffee machine, and maybe plays a morning playlist. No alarm screaming at you. Just a gentle, automated start to the day. Set it once and it runs every morning. Number 3, lights off when everyone leaves. Using presence detection, either your phone's GPS or a motion sensor that hasn't triggered in 30 minutes, all lights and non-essential plugs turn off automatically when the house is empty. You'll never come home to lights that have been on all day again. Number 4, night mode at bedtime. At a set time or when you tell your smart speaker good night, all lights dim to 0, the TV turns off, doors lock, and the thermostat drops a degree or 2. One command, or no command at all, and your whole home gets ready for sleep. Number 5, motion-activated hallway lights. When motion is detected in the hallway at night, lights turn on at 10% brightness. Enough to see, not enough to wake you up. After 2 minutes with no motion, they turn off again. No fumbling in the dark, no wasted energy. These 5 automations work with Google Home, Home Assistant, Alexa, and most smart home hubs. Start with 1. The lights on when you get home is the easiest, and build from there. Subscribe for a new smart home tip every day.